So students, now we will discuss about the factors affecting entrepreneurship. So there are several factors which affect the functioning of entrepreneurs and the business. So first point is political. As business continues all its operations and activities in a surrounding environment, and so business environment and the business enterprises has to function within the government surroundings. So business enterprises, business companies all has to comply and adhere and abide all the rules, regulations, all the laws, the legal framework, and the taxation system, etc. They all have to follow all the protocols as stated by the central bodies and state bodies. But nowadays, there is a very increase and excess political interventions, red tapeism, excessive bureaucracy, and political corruptions in parties in everywhere in states and centrals bodies have led to a drastic decline in the smooth functioning of entrepreneurship. So, business should be very much like that. That these political parties, there is a bureaucracy, and these state bodies and central bodies should ensure the maximum support and assistance to the business enterprise. But nowadays there are excessive red tapeism, bureaucracy, excessive intervention in the of the political parties in the working affairs of the business, political corruption. These all factors have led to affecting the entrepreneurship. Now moving on to the next, that is statutory, legal, and taxation. That is when the business enterprise operates and run the functions and run all the activities of the business enterprise. So there are various sorts of legal advices, statutories, and taxation systems. These business enterprises and entrepreneurship needs help from the government. So they business enterprise, they needs help and assistance so to operate in a smooth and efficiently way. But the central bodies and the state bodies and those authorities do not help and give assistance to them. So these factors also act as a constant or hindrances which affect the entrepreneurship. Next is capital availability. Capital is the pivotal and crucial importance, is the uh, major important thing which is required in the business enterprise so as to continue the operations very much smoothly, efficiently, and effectively. But if there is absence of capital availability, capital means the amount of funds, finances, resources. With the help of funds and finances, money, we can the enterprise procure all sorts of men, labor, materials, machinery, equipments, etc. But if there is a lack of capital availability, there is a dearth of capital availability, there is a shortage of capital availability. So the enterprise cannot function smoothly and effectively and efficiently. So these factors also affects the entrepreneurship to a greater extent. Now we move to the next, that is availability of raw material. Raw material is also a very necessity and requisite for continuing the function of the business very smoothly, effectively. But raw material helps the business to transform into semi-finished products and products, finished products, to sell it to the customer. But if there is a lack of raw material or there is a shortage of raw material, the business cannot function smoothly, effectively, and efficiently, because if there is a procrastination or if there is a lack of raw materials, the business cannot work properly, the business cannot emerge. So there will be a delay and postponement in the operation and activities, and some other business enterprise will take the advantage of it and will take the situation away. So this availability of raw material also act as a hindrances or factors affecting, because if there is not availability of raw material at the right time, the business operations cannot take place. The business operation will come to a standstill and halt. So this is also a factor affecting entrepreneurship. Now the fifth one is labor. Labor, or we call it the manpower, because labor are the sets of persons who do the work in any sorts of enterprise, whether that is capital intensive or labor intensive. Labor needs there to monitor, labor needs to there to carry out all the work. So labor is a very important, crucial and a vital element and a vital factor. If there is a shortage of labor or there is no labor in the enterprise, the work cannot be done. So it will hold the enterprise activities and function. So labor should be present in adequate and sufficient manner so that the enterprise can be run. So enterprise can take all its activities without any interruptions and without any halt, so that they can reach their goal. So labor is also very important factor. And one more thing, whatever videos we are discussing, whatever points we are discussing, do listen to all the videos entirely several times. Do listen to the audio clips several times to so as to grab the meaning and concept of it. And if you do possess the book, if you have the book, please do refer the book to get a meaning of it. All the meaning which we have discussed are very similar, but if you have the book, do refer the book. If you do not have the book, please ask me, please tell me. I'll definitely share you the PDF and you can refer it from there. And if any sorts of doubts arises, please let me know, revert back it to me so we can resolve the doubts. You can text it back to me at WhatsApp so I can help you and assist you in resolving your doubts.